Okay, here we are in video number 4. We're doing a dust wipe sample video using Certified Kit's home dust wipe kit. And we're going to do the inside of a book. So we're going to use a measured area on this page, which is a page I did an XRF test on of this same book. It's the one with the choo-choo train on the page. And so AJ, tell them about the measurement.
So it's not a square foot, which is what they recommend. It's 11 by 12, just because that's how big the book is. So we'll just make a note of that in this form.
Okay, the chain of custody form.
The chain of custody form. Just specify that it is
11,
less than a square foot. Yeah.
And then we'll extrapolate the results based on the square footage.
All right. So
and the steps are putting gloves on.
Putting new gloves on, taking out the wipe, unfolding it completely, and then going in a north to south direction with in an S curve, pressing firmly along the surface.
And we have the book laying down on a lead-free, freshly washed, new cotton towel, so that there's no potential contamination from the surface that the book is sitting on. The smell. What does the smell? Alcohol, kind of?
Yeah, it's not as powerful as like an ethanol wipe or something, but it's about that smell. It's actually kind of fruity.
Fruity, fruity wipe. Yes. And I'm Lead Safe Mama, Tamara Rubin, leadsafemama.com. This is my son, AJ Rubin.
And then we're going in a west to east or east to west direction. Same type of S shape, going from one side to the other. And folding that in half again, and doing the perimeter.
And our experiment here is how much lead dust is on the pages of a book that can come off onto the hands of a child from a book that we know for certain...
Or the mouth of a child.
Or the mouth of a child. For a book we know for certain has lead. I don't think anyone's ever done this experiment, actually.
So, and then we're folding that in half one last time and putting it in the centrifuge tube. And then labeling that.
Number 4.
Number 4.
And this is like pretty exciting because, again, I don't think anyone's ever done a dust wipe sample on a vintage children's book that's had a quantified amount of lead using XRF technology to determine how much lead comes off with usage. And so this will be really interesting, and I'm excited about this because it's never been done before.
And you have it to compare to the
XRF. Yeah, this has similar XRF results as the Winnie the Pooh books. And I believe the book is from 1951. So we're going to do a third test. We'll do a final video. We're going to do a test of the back, just the back yellow cover. You can close the book. And I'm going to start a new video. So signing off for now, Lead Safe Mama, leadsafemama.com. This is video number 4 of 5. And AJ Rubin testing using Certified Kit's home test kit, certifiedkit.com. And I want to thank Certified Kit for sending me these kits for free. I love them. I love that they empower consumers to be able to do this testing themselves. Okay, thank you.